Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to star a chat message on WhatsApp web using the latest update. Starring messages is a great way to save important information for quick access later. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, navigate to the chat where the message you want to star is located. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Click on the chat to open it and scroll through the messages until you find the one you'd like to star. When you've located the message, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a small menu icon represented by a downward arrow or 3 dots appearing near the message. Click on this menu icon to reveal a list of options. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Star. Once you click it, a small star icon will appear next to the message, indicating that it has been successfully starred. And that's it. You've now marked this message as important, and it will be saved in your Starred Messages section for easy access later. To view all your starred messages, simply click on the 3-dot menu at the top right corner of WhatsApp web and select Starred Messages. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of key details like addresses, passwords, or memorable moments shared in chats. It's quick, simple, and ensures you never lose important information in an endless stream of messages. Thanks for following along. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.